Bùi Chánh Thầy.
Hello, good evening, Olivia. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, there you are. Wow, you're being on time. Good job. Oh, where are you? I can't see you. Where are you? Okay, oh, there you are. Nice to see you again. Hello, mommy. Good evening. Okay, there you are, Olivia. Okay, how are you today?
I'm happy today.
Oh, that's good. You're happy today. Okay, you can also say, I'm good today. I'm good today. I'm fine today.
Fine today.
Yes. Okay. Did you had already your dinner? Did you already eat your dinner? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, what did you eat? What did you eat? I eat rice. Did you eat rice?
Yes.
And?
And corn.
Wow, corn. I love corn. Sweet corn. Anything else?
Fish.
Oh, fish. Fried fish or steamed fish? Fried fish. I love fried fish. Okay, Olivia, good job. Okay, do you have school today?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you do? What did you do today? Did you play with your friends today?
Yes.
Wow, that's fun. How many friends do you have? 10? 10 friends? No. How many? 5? 5 friends? How many? Yes. I have 3 friends. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, let's start to our lesson. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Olivia?
Yes.
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, now let's start a review. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Olivia. We are gonna finish this book. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. I'm so proud of you. We will have another book next class. Now, let's start review 2. Okay, please listen. Let's watch the video first. Let's watch the video. There. Where is it? Where is the
Review
video?
2.
Okay, I will start the video. Please listen carefully.
Review 2. Units 5 through 8. Track 79. A. Listen, point, and repeat.
Listen, point and repeat. Moon.
Moon.
Nut.
Nut.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Queen.
Queen.
Red.
Red.
Sea.
Sea.
Tall.
Tall.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
The best.
Best.
Window.
Window.
Fox. Yellow.
Yellow.
Zebra.
Zebra. Wow, good job. Wow, we completed the alphabet. Now let's learn these pictures. Okay, what do you know about this picture? What is this?
Moon.
A moon. Yes, this is a moon. You can see a moon during at morning.
Yeah.
When you see a moon during at night. Okay. How about this? What is this? Na. Not. Okay, not. Do you like eating peanuts?
Yeah. Was
Yes, I like peanuts. Yes. You know, peanuts are good to our brain. Yes. Peanuts.
it's good for our brain.
Yes. And peanuts are good peanut butter. Do you like eating peanut butter? Okay, meet my son. Okay, this is Leah. Hello. Hello. There is Leah. There. Okay. Hello. Okay, Olivia, how about this? What animal is this? What animal is that? This is, what is this? Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Yes, it's a big bird. It's a big bird. But that bird can't fly. They can run faster. Yes. Have you seen an ostrich before? Oh, I will show you the ostrich. The ostrich is a big bird. This one. Can you see the ostrich? So cute. Yes. The ostrich, the big bird. Have you seen the egg of an ostrich? I will show you the egg of an ostrich. This one. This is the normal egg, and this is the ostrich egg. Wow, it's so huge. It's huge. Do you like to try ostrich egg? Look, it's so huge. Oh, that is the ostrich egg. Oh, the baby ostrich, look. Oh, their feathers is color brown. Yes. Okay, that is the ostrich. Now let's have the next. Okay, next. how about this? What do you see in this picture? Sea. Sea. Yes. Do you like swimming? Do you like
I
go?
like
Oh, yes. I like swimming at the sea. Okay, perfect. Good job. Okay, how about this? What color is this? R, r, red. Color, red. Yes, this is my favorite color, red. How about you, Olivia? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite colors. Okay, what is your favorite color? Blue? Pink?
No.
Oh, pink. Okay, next. Oh, what
sorry.
food?
Please hold it. Hold it. Oh yeah, I want to make it louder. Thank you.
Yes.
You should speak. You should. Okay. Okay.
Oh, she can see? She can see, mommy?
Yes.
Okay, there you are. Oh, sorry, Olivia. You can see the picture? Okay, there. What is this? What food is this? This one. Pizza. Yes. Do you like eating pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hungry. I want to eat pizza. Yes. Very good. Okay, how about this? This one. Do you still remember? Tall. Yes. Who is taller? Mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
Mommy is taller. Wow. Okay. How about grandma or grandpa? Who is taller? Grandma or grandpa? Who do you think is taller? Grandma or grandpa?
Shorter or taller? Grandfather is taller.
Grandpa is taller. Wow. Okay. This one. What is this? What is this, Olivia? Ah,
Umbrella.
umbrella. Yes. Very good. This one. Do you still remember this one? How about this? The vest. This is a vest. Vest. And here is, what is this? Olivia, what is this?
Window.
A window. And next, how about this? Box. Okay, what do we?
Yellow.
Yellow. And the last is z. What animal is this?
Zebra.
Zebra. Good job. Okay, we are done with our listen, point, and repeat. Now let's proceed to listen. Write the letter that begins the word. Okay, please ready your pen and let's listen to the audio.
Track 80. B. Listen and write the letter that begins the word.
Number 1.
0. 0.
Okay, write the
Zipper.
letter
Zipper.
Z. 0. Zero.
Number 2.
Zipper.
window,
Zipper.
window,
Window.
water, water,
Window.
Number 3.
yacht, yacht, yawn, yawn,
Mhm.
Number 4.
sad, sad, sit, sit,
Number 5.
quiet, quiet, question,
Mhm.
question,
Number 6.
monkey, monkey,
Monkey.
moon,
Moon.
moon,
Moon. Okay. Now, are you done? Okay, let's check your answer later. Okay, take your time. Mm-hmm. Monkey. Monkey. Moon. Moon. Okay, let's check your answer. Are you done? Yes. Okay, this one is 0. Zipper. Very good. It's letter Z. How about this? Number 2? W. Window. Water. Window. Water. Okay, next. What we have here. What is this?
What is that?
Yawn. Yawn. Mhm.
Yawn.
How about this one?
Sad.
Okay, cry. Cry. Okay. You need a letter C. Next, number 5. Question. Yes, correct. Question. Next is monkey. Monkey. Good job. Wow, you have answered it all correctly. Well done. Okay, let's have circle the picture that does not belong. Okay, well, let's have example number 1. Letter U. This is umpire. Under. How about this? What's this? Sit. Sit. Okay, this is not belong. Now, let's try to answer number 2. Circle does not belong. Okay, try to answer number 2, Olivia. R, what is this? Robot.
Robot.
This one. What's this? What's this? Run.
Run.
Okay, well, how about this? What is this? What is this? Pants. Pants. Okay, the pants is not belong in letter R. Now, circle the pants. Circle the pants. Very good. Okay, next. How about this? What is this? N. N.
No.
Yes. How about this? What is this?
No.
Not. Yes, nuts. And this one? It's letter N. It's nuts. How about this one? What is this?
Mouse.
Yes, the mouse is not belong in letter N. Circle the mouse. Circle the mouse. Okay. Now let's proceed to section D. Match the pictures that have the same sound. Same sound.
Okay.
Okay, this is pizza, potato, pizza, potato. Okay, which match the tiger? Tiger. Letter T, tiger. This one? This is X, box, box, box. This match fox, fox, fox. Okay, which match the box? Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Let's check. Pizza, potato. Tiger, 10. Tiger, 10. Repeat after me. Tiger, 10. Vest, violin. Correct. Vest, violin. Fox, box. Fox, box. Very good. Okay, we are done. Now let's have a game. Do you want to play a game, Olivia? Yes. What game do you like?
Not the picture.
Okay, 2 pictures, 1 word. Okay, you will be team 1 and I will be team 2. Can you see the picture? Oh, okay. You may start now. Go, Olivia.
Number 4.
Okay, we have number 4. What is it?
Snowman.
Yes, snowman. Good job. My turn, number 16. I take points to team 1. Okay, I will take 15 points. Okay, your turn. 10, 11, 9. Number 3. Okay, what is it? Okay, this is dragon.
Butterfly.
No, dragon. Dragon, fly.
Dragonfly.
Very good. Dragonfly. Okay, my turn. Hot dog. Hot dog. Next, your turn.
Number 9.
Number 9. What is it? What's this?
Sunflower.
Yes, sunflower. Good job. 14. I take points to team 1. Okay, I will take 5 points. Okay, your turn. 13, 12, 11.
Number 5.
Number 5. What is it?
Watermelon.
Yes, it's a watermelon. Well done. Okay, how about this? Oh my God, I will take again points from you. I take 5 points. Okay, your turn, Olivia.
Number 7.
Okay, number 7. What is it?
Butterfly.
Yes, this is the butterfly. Okay, my turn. Okay, video game. Okay, your turn.
Number
8, 11, 10, 6, 2, 1.
2.
2. Oh, you know this already. Straw.
Strawberry.
Yes, it's a strawberry. Okay, my turn. Earring. Earring. Yes. Okay, your turn.
Number 10.
Number 10. What is it? What is it?
Cheeseburger.
Okay, this is
A
a cheeseburger. Perfect. Okay, next. I will choose number 8. Horseshoe. Horseshoe. Okay, your turn. Last 2.
Number 1.
Number 1. What is it?
Jellyfish.
Okay, it's a jellyfish. My turn. It's a rainbow. Rainbow. Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Yes, you are the winner. Good job. Yes, Olivia, you are the winner. Okay, let's have a reward. A reward.
Reward.
Yes, the reward for our student, Olivia. I love playing the game. It's so fun. Okay, let's have reward, Olivia. Okay, active in listening, active in reading, being on time. Wow. Okay, doing task, good student, helping others, helping your teacher on task, participating, persistent, working hard. And because of that, I'm giving you a prize. A toy rabbit. Yes, a cute toy rabbit. Do you like its clothes? Very good, Olivia. Well done. See you next class. Olivia, see you next class. That's all for tonight. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Good night. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Olivia. Bye. Bye-bye.